To begin, log into your MyCSUDH portal and click Student Center. Then on the new page, click on Enroll in CSU Fully Online. Select the term you are applying to classes for. Once done, click Continue. On the new page, search the classes you are applying for, insert the subject, and if you have it, the course number. Then click Search. You will then see a class menu. Look for the course you want, and click the class course number under Class. Before you select the class, make sure that you read the description for any prerequisites and confirm it's the course you want. Once done, click Select Class. If your class has prerequisites, you will need to confirm what courses you've taken that fill the prerequisites. Either select the course from the list or use the box to fill in information of other courses that fulfills the prerequisites. Once done, select Requisites Confirmed, then click Confirm. Next, you will get a final confirmation. Once done reading the information, click Submit Enrollment Request. You will then get a confirmation that your request has been submitted. Click OK. You should now see that your course is under CSU Fully Online with a clock under Status to show that your request is pending approval. Repeat the process for all other courses you would like to attend. Thank you for watching.